Hi, my name is Christy. Today's presentation is radical and distance formula. So most of the time radical numbers are from the distance formula. So I'm going to write distance formula first. To talk about this radical, we have to know distance formula, which is d equals square root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, apply the formula. The question is find the parameter of this parallelogram. So you have four sides all around, right? And parameter of this parallelogram, to get it, I will apply right triangle. And here is another right triangle. Then I will get side AB first. And side AB and side CD are same. So how can I get side AB? Use this formula because I have 2 points A and B. And that tells me x2 minus x1, 3 and minus 3, how far they are? This is 6. y2 minus y1 is 2. So in this right triangle, I have one side 6 and the other side 2. So 6 square plus 2 square and then square root. So I got distance of AB is going to be x2 minus x1, 6 square, 36, plus y2 minus y1 is 2 square is 4. So I got square root of 40. And this distance is radical number. So the reason I say radical number is if the numbers are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, and 256, 289, 324, 361. If those numbers are, then you don't say that's radical because all are square numbers. All these are square numbers. So if I say, for example, let me tell you one of the examples, like if I have square root of 121, then I will say that's 11. So in that case, that's not a radical. So as a reference, I recommend you know the numbers from number 1 to at least number 361, which is up to 19 square. Of course, you know that 20 square is 400. Okay, so this number does not make a radical, but where is 40? 40 is in between 36 and 49. So which is between 6 and 7. So I know that square root of 40 is somewhere 6 and 7, between 6 and 7, right? But that's still radical. So the one I get AB is square root of 40. And CD is also square root of 40. But the question is parameter of this parallelogram. So I have two of square root of 40s. So one side AB, square root of 40, and side CD, square root of 40. How about AC? AC is distance between, which is 5 and 1, make 4. How about BD? Is also 4. So make sum of all these, then I will get perimeter is going to be 2 of those, 2 square 40 plus 8, which is 2 times 4 times 10 plus 8, which is 2 times square 10 plus 8, which is 4 root 10 plus 8. So that's perimeter of this figure, this parallelogram. So the concept from this chapter is you can get radical by applying distance formula when you solve some geometric things. So overall, I recommend you know these numbers and this one. So that's my presentation today about the radical.